Is your 1999 Jeep Cherokee key fob not working? The most common culprits are a dead battery or a lost connection with the SKIM module. First, replace the CR2032 battery inside the fob. Pry open the plastic casing with a small screwdriver, replace the battery with positive side up, and reassemble. If that doesn't work, try reprogramming. Insert the key into the ignition and quickly cycle from off to on 3 times within 15 seconds. Then press and hold the lock button on the fob. The horn should chirp, indicating success. These steps have a high success rate for minor connectivity issues. If battery replacement and basic reprogramming fail, the SKIM module itself might need a reset. Locate the SKIM module under the driver's side dash and disconnect it for 5 to 10 minutes. Reconnect the module and repeat the reprogramming steps. If you're still having trouble, consider using an OBD2 scanner. A Bluetooth model works fine and can diagnose SKIM-related fault codes like P1610. If the problem persists or you're uncomfortable with these steps, it's time to consult a professional mechanic or Jeep dealership. They can perform more in-depth diagnostics and reprogramming or address potential module failures. Remember, attempting DIY fixes carries some risk, so proceed cautiously, especially when dealing with the SKIM module.